Tired of logging out of Discord just to switch accounts? Learn how to add another account in under 30 seconds. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to type to add a second account. Let's jump in. First, open up Discord on your computer. Then, in the bottom left corner, click on your profile avatar or icon. In the menu that appears, select Switch Accounts. Now, click on Add an Account to bring up the login screen. Type in your secondary account's email or phone number. Then, enter the password for that account. Click on Continue and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.